Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Google Assistant can help you perform certain tasks faster on Android. But what if it keeps popping up when you don't need it, or you just don't want your phone to be always listening? While you cannot remove the assistant from your phone, you can surely turn it off. So in this video, let's find out how you can turn off Google Assistant on your Android device. By default, Google Assistant is set as your default assistive app. To disable Google Assistant, you have to turn off the Assist app in the settings. So go to Settings option, then go to Apps Management. Tap on this gear icon and select Default Apps. Here Assist and Voice Input, then Assist app. By default, it should be set as Google. You need to choose None option to disable Google Assistant. That's all. Now if I long press in the home button, you can see Google Assistant is not coming up anymore. Open the Google app on your device, More option, then Settings, Google Assistant. Go to the Assistant tab, scroll down and select Phone. Now turn off the toggle next to Google Assistant. Once you do that, Google Assistant will not pop up using the home button or even the voice commands. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.